If you are wondering how to put a SIM card inside your phone, no matter which iPhone do you have, it could be a 10-year-old iPhone or it could be one of the latest ones. This is one simple technique that always works. First up, if you have got a new iPhone, within the box there will be a SIM eject tool like this. I highly recommend that you use something like this because it's pretty clear, it's the right amount of thickness in the needle. Else, you need to find a needle which is this thin. Generally, pins which you use on pin-up boards, if they are really slim ones, they will work. But several pins, like a hairpin, are too thick and can damage your slim slot. So you have to be careful about that. So find this in your box. It's hidden under the manuals. So you need to find this SIM eject tool. It could be in a different shape. It could also have come with some other Android phone. That's fine. All of these tools have same kind of tips. Now on your iPhone, right? Look on the sides. This is a plain side. This side has the volume rocker and the silent key. But over here, you see this section over here. On an older iPhone, if you see on this older iPhone, it was on the right side. It is here. And you see a small hole over here. Now I know you may be scared to do this, but just take the SIM eject tool and press it hard. This thing will pop out. You can pull it. Let me do it on a newer iPhone. I just press it a little hard, firmly. Okay, I haven't ejected this SIM tray in probably a year, so it's a little jammed, but hey, be at it. So let's give it one more try, and there it goes. Okay, it took a it took some pressure to do this, but here you see the SIM tray comes out. Now on the SIM tray, make sure you have a nano SIM which fits in right like this. It should perfectly fit in, and when you are inserting it, right, it should not protrude out, and you have to match it this way. You see the holes should align over here. The tray has a hole over here and the slot has a hole down here. You have to really align them. Let me make sure you're seeing this clear. You have to really align them and then push it in. If you put it in the other way around, God bless you, you would have to visit the service center. So this is how it is done. If you want to see a demo on another old iPhone, this time it is on the right side. It's closer to the power button over here. Let me zoom right into it and some amount of pressure, and that's it. Easy peasy. That's how it goes. So hope this was useful to you. Please do me one little favor. Tell me which iPhone do you use in comments below.